Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the HP SmartTank 585, an all-in-one printer that promises to save you money, but is it really worth it? Let's find out. First thing first, the HP SmartTank 585 is designed for home offices, students, and small businesses that do a lot of printing. Right out of the box, you get an impressive ink yield, up to 18,000 black pages and 6,000 colored pages with the included bottles. And I think that is huge compared to the regular cartridge printers. And the refills, super easy. HP uses spill-free bottles that just click in place. No mess, no fuss. It's one of the things that I really love about this SmartTank series. Now let's talk quality. Text comes out sharp and colors are surprisingly vibrant for an ink-tank printer. Whether you are printing assignments, invoices, or even photos, the 585 holds up very well. Talking speed-wise is not the fastest on the block. It prints about 12 pages per minute in black and 5 pages for colored. And I think this is good enough for everyday printing. But if you're in a serious hurry, you might notice the weight. Connectivity is another one. You get self-healing Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, USB, and full mobile printing support with the HP Smart app, Apple AirPrint, and Mopriya. Now, what does that mean? It means you can print directly from your phone in just few taps. So what are the downsides? Well, the paper tray is on the smaller side, so you'll be refilling often if you print a lot. Setup can be a little fiddly with Wi-Fi for some users, and the print speed could be faster. But honestly, for a price like this, it's hard to complain too much. Here's the bottom line. The HP SmartTank 585 is perfect if you want low-cost printing, solid quality, and eco-friendly design without spending a fortune on cartridge. Now note, it's not a speed demon, so would I recommend it? Absolutely, as long as you value savings and quality over sheer speed. And that will be all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more product reviews. And let me know in the comments if you'd like to go for the HP SmartTank 585 or you prefer something faster. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.